Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Pay. Open your Android device. Locate and tap on the Google Pay app. If you haven't installed it yet, visit the Google Play Store to download it. Once the app opens, sign in with your Google account. Tap on the Payments section at the bottom of the screen. Select the option to add payment method. Choose credit or debit card from the available options. Enter your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Tap Save to continue. You may need to verify your identity. Select your preferred verification method. This could be a text message, email, or a phone call. Follow the prompts to receive your verification code. Once you receive the code, enter it into the app. Tap Verify to confirm your card. If verification is successful, your card will be activated for use. You'll see your card listed under the Payments section. Congratulations! Your Google Pay is now set up for card verification. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.